Hello everybody, Gregor23 here, and today I'm going to be killing two birds with one stone, so to speak. I'm going to be doing an outdoor sound test on the Alto Trooper and the Alto TS212 sub, and well, it'll be actually a dual trooper. They will be about approximately 12 feet apart from each other. And I said in my first description video that I made about the Alto that I would be making a sound test video once I did get the second one. Today, the way I have everything hooked up is I'm having the signal go to the master trooper, and it's going to be coming out. See, the only thing I have hooked up here is the power and the output going straight into the sub. So the wireless signal that's going through from the my tablet is going straight to the master trooper, and they're stereo linked together. The way you do it is after you do the first initial setup with the stereo link down there, the second button that's lit up, right, they find each other right away after the first initial setup. I've turned them on like 6 times since I bought them, and I've had no problems with them finding each other like within seconds of turning the other one on. What you do have to do is pair whatever you're going to pair it to with whatever source you're coming from. So here's where I have my volume, just so you guys have something to reference to. The master volume is right here, about a little bit past, halfway, and we're going to be using channel 3 because that's the wireless channel. Have that about 75%, and that's where I have my bass and treble EQ at. All right, I will be standing about 30 feet back. Sorry, I didn't mean to get anybody dizzy there. So if you guys give me 1 second, I'll pause the video. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Just in case the camera does move a little bit, I apologize for that. I'm trying to do this with one hand, the other hand holding my tablet. Okay, the sound test is just the two troopers playing by themselves. No sub yet. So these are standalone troopers. There we go. All right, there you guys have it. That was the troopers by themselves. A very, very nice punchy bass. I know that in the description video, not my video, but an Alto rep described that they rolled out some of the low end for it, but I don't see where, because it sounds damn well to me. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the sub now. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I went ahead and turned on the sub. So this is the same part of the song with the sub turned on. All right, here we go. Alright, you guys have it. That was both troopers and the sub playing from about maybe 30 feet back. Now let me switch songs, something a little bit more bass heavy, so the sub could have a chance to shine. 1 second. Alright, I'm back. This is mainly the sound test for the sub. Here we go. Something a little bit more bass heavy. There we go.
Let's get it.
Alright, there you guys have it. That was the outdoor sound test for the Alto Troopers and the sub. I believe the sub is 1250 watts and the Troopers are 200 watts. I don't know if that's continuous or not, as I think the sub isn't continuous. Oh, I apologize if I sound a little out of breath here. I'm doing this video on a very warm August summer day here in sunny Southern California. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Let me see, I'm trying to think if there's anything more that I left out. Well, I thought long and hard, and I can't really think of anything that I left out, but I'm sure there is. There's got to be. If you guys have any further questions, like I said before, feel free to ask, leave a comment, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope it was informative and you guys got something out of it. Thanks again.